Hello and welcome to my top channel. My name is DKIM, and in today's video, we will discuss the Mailcow mail server and how to install it on Ubuntu. Previously, I've covered many other mail servers. You can check those out by visiting my channel. For all the commands and steps, I've created blog posts on my website where I detail all the procedures. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Many more videos are coming. If you need any help or services, you can find them here. I also offer personal training. If you want to learn how to set up a mail server personally for any mail server, you can contact me through the link provided or find my WhatsApp number in the description. I will be adding more services here in the future, including iPhone setup. In personal training, I'll teach you about all these mail servers. Whichever mail server you want to learn, you can contact me from here. Okay, so in this video, we will learn about the Mailcow mail server and how to install it on Ubuntu. Here, I've written a brief description for you to see. It's a simple Mailcow server. It's open source and you can freely install it on unlimited VPSs. The only requirement is that you need 4 GB RAM, and you can install it on any OS like Ubuntu or CentOS. In this video, I will use Ubuntu. I've mentioned here that the ports 25, 80, 443, 110, 143, 465, 587, 993, and 995 are kept open by default. Their list is provided here. This is an affiliate link, so if you go through this link, it will help me a little bit. Okay, so after that, what you need to do first is create an Ubuntu Droplet. Before that, in this video, we will use our password, and the domain that we will use in this video is this one, okay? So first, select Ubuntu here, regular RAM. I will choose the $30 machine because you need 4 GB RAM, okay? After that, I select Toronto here and paste the password that I had copied. This is my domain. I'll put this in mail.mydomain.com and click on Create Droplet. Make sure to check whether your IP is blacklisted or not. Now what's happening is that a UC Protect network already blacklist is shown. Apart from that, if you find any blacklist, then delete the droplet and create it again. Okay. So once this droplet is created, what you have to do next is add 4 to 5 DNS records. You need to add an SPF record, an MX record, and a records. So first, we will check if there is an IP blacklist here or not, apart from UC Protect. Let me paste it here and check if it's there or not. Okay, this is it. Right now, another one is showing blacklisted, but I only want this one. I am showing you how to install it. I will not use it further, so you must check that if UC Protect is shown. Apart from this, if there is any blacklist, then you can delete the droplet and create it again. Okay, so what I do now is copy the IP from here, and I have to add these 4 records here first. Okay, so I will reload it first because sometimes it gets locked out. Okay, here I will create the record, put the IP, and set the TTL here. Okay, so TTL means time to live, which determines how quickly it will be indexed. Here, the first IP is set for the main domain. From here, the second IP is set for the subdomain. Then this hostname is set here. Select the hostname twice, okay. There are details for these as well, so let's do it. In the first one, it's this, and in the second one is autoconfig. This is the name record. The hostname and its value is nil. If your domain is okay, then I will put it here and replace my domain here. So here I have done replace, okay, and let's create an MX record. Its value will be this. The priority will be 10 here, and I will set the TTL to 600. Okay, this is done. After this, we'll add the TXT records after installation. We used to add the TXT records. I have changed their TTL also here. So what is the format of the SPF record? I have given it below, and at the last here, you can see the SPF record, etc. So this is the format of the SPF record. In this, you just have to replace your IP. So this is my IP, so I will replace it from here. Okay, similarly, there is a format for DMARC. In this, you just have to replace your domain. I have copied it, and where I have put the name of demo, here I will replace it with my domain, and its hostname is _DMARC. Now if I save the changes, then all these records will get updated. Okay, so what do you have to do after this? See, all the records have been updated. After this, you have to open PuTTY, and first of all, you have to install Docker. I will open it. And you log into PuTTY. For the first time, it asks for yes. Login is root, enter the password. You are now logged in as root, okay. There it is. Now, install Docker and Docker Compose. What is Docker basically? It is a tool, which means that if you install your email server, then it will automatically install all the packages, etc., which are its dependencies. So for this, you will have to install Docker first, okay? So you have to run these commands one by one. You don't have to do much, it's simply a copy-paste work. I will tell you where there will be some changes. You are running the first command. Now you are copying the second command. I have pasted that here as well. The third command is run, okay. Now let's copy this command. Copy and paste, click enter, then copy-paste this command. Copy. It's asking here to continue, so type Y and hit enter. Then enter your next command. After that, copy this command. Paste this and hit enter. After this, run this command. Paste and enter. Now it has been installed. To check the Docker Compose version, you can run this command. It's not necessary, but you can run it. Wait a second. Given, OK. Compose. Enter here. Actually, I put capital C. I had to put lowercase c here. So if you put lowercase and run it, then this version will be shown here. OK, after that, you have to install Mailcow. Docker has been installed. So the first command has to be run, and don't forget to make changes here. In place of your domain, you have to put your actual domain, okay? So I will copy this, paste it here, and I will copy my domain from here. And erase this and paste my own. Click enter. Okay, after this, the second command has to be run. Okay, now it's asking for cd opt. I have to go to the opt folder here. Now I'm on the root, so after cd/opt, okay. After this, I have to run this command. I did this, paste it, enter. Okay, after this, I will cd to this folder. Okay, after that, I have to run this command. It's asking for the hostname here. I will make it a little bigger. See, mail server, this is not your mail domain, but your mail server hostname. So here we have to enter the hostname. So the hostname which I had entered here, look, mail.mydomain.com. So let me also put it here, mail.mydomain.com, and I put this, okay. UTC, so I will select UTC here by default. You can do it through ACL protocol because your time zone is the same. Now let it continue. This is done. After this, I have to copy this docker compose pull command and press enter here. After this, docker compose upd. Let this command get installed. After that, run this command. So it has been installed here, and after running this command here, I have also put here how you will see the output. So this last command is run here, paste and enter it. After this, see here, to open the port, you have to run this command. If it's already open, then it's not necessary to open it, okay. So here, what is that? To open the port, enter this command and press enter. So this is done. After this, you have to access the login dashboard of this mail. From where will it open? So whatever is your hostname, use that. Like I have given you the format here, so this mail.yourdomain.com, okay. I will do it here in a private tab, open. Okay. So here its dashboard is logged in, and here its login is done for admin, and here there is a mail application webmail. So you can open this also in a new tab, okay. After this, its username by default is admin and the password is mogul. I will copy this. The username will be admin, the password is this, and click on login. So, it is similar to Roundcube, because it's a SOGo panel. It works in the same way. So first of all, you have to add a domain here. As I have explained everything here through the screenshots, you can see from here also. First, you have to add a domain. So how to add a domain? First, you have to go and click on Configuration and Mail Setup here. After going there, you have to click on Add Domain, and I will paste my domain here and if you want to make any changes etc. from here, then you can do that too. Then here I click on Add Domain and restart SOGo. After that, what you have to do is add a user like admin@yourdomain.com or info@yourdomain.com. You have to create a user like this because right now I don't have any user to log in here by default. Okay, so what you have to do is go to Mailboxes and click on Add Mailbox. So here I'll enter info and I will set the password here. You have to enter the password and click on Add. Okay. So here one of our mailboxes has been created. From here also you can open the URL of the SOGo and apps. From here also you have to go to apps and click on webmail. Okay. So here my SOGo is already open. I will do it again. Here first of all I enter the password, copy, paste, and my username is this. And I logged in with this. Okay. So this is like our round cube. Our login is done. After this, what you have to do first is create your DKIM. How to create DKIM? So for that, first of all, you have to go here and after going to configuration, this is it. You have to go to configuration and arc/DKIM keys. Click on it. Okay, after this keep the selected domain in length of 2048 bits here and click Add. So here the DKIM will get generated automatically. You have to put it in the domain section there. So I will reload it. Okay. And let's add a TXT record here. Keep the TTL, choose the domain's code which you have copied from here, put it here, and the selector by default was DKIM. Okay. So here you have to put the selector _domain key. So whichever selector you keep, you have to put it here first, like if you have put this then this is the address of the domain. This will be by default. After this, if I click on Save Changes, then all the records will get updated. Then what do you have to do after this? Here, mail.yourdomain.com, and you see that HTTPS gets installed by default on this, so you put HTTPS here. Run this because HTTPS is there in it. See here, the connection is secure, so there's no need to install SSL separately. From here you can check all the things, and by going to configuration and details. Whichever to manager is there, some mails do not go because they get left inside. You can see that from here. Okay, so now let's send a mail from here. You have to click here, you have to click on the writing sign, then a window will open in front of you for sending. So I send a mail to my mail. I copy it from here and click on Write a new message from here. Or let's open this also on HTTPS. If I open it from here, then it will open on HTTPS by default. See, the connection is secure here, so let's send a mail from here and check it. Here in the to section, I put my email ID. In the subject I put Tikasnera and I put hello here. Okay, and from here I click on send. So it's sending now. The sending has been completed. Then we come back here. First of all, I check in spam. Your mail has been delivered here. I will inspect it here and show it. Security TLS and mail by subject because now and I have written hello. Okay, so your mail has been successfully delivered here. After that, let's check the score on our mail-tester.com to see how much our score is. So I'm done here and I copy it and go here and send a mail again to mail-tester.com. Okay, and after clicking here after doing everything, you have to simply send it and then I click on check your score. So see here, 4.3 out of 10 is coming, because your DKIM is like this. Look here, it has been done, the DMARC has been done, the MX has been recorded. All the things have been done, only DKIM has not been done because I had posted this last. It means it hasn't had time, it hasn't been indexed yet. As soon as it is indexed, your score here will automatically change. So as soon as DKIM is indexed, I check it again by sending an email here. Okay, and before that, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and whatever commands etc. there will be, you will find them all here on my blog, and you will find the link to the blog in the description box. And if you buy any VPS or something else, then you must use my affiliate link from here. This is all in this video. and more videos related to email marketing will keep coming on my channel. To watch more videos, thank you.